Hi, this is Jenny from the Ukulele Sisters, and I'm going to teach you how to play the melody tab of Yankee Doodle. Now, when you're playing a song, you need to look at the tabs that you're using. If you're using tabs that are in the first three frets, you can keep your hand down where we usually do our chords. And that is what you do in this third line and the fourth line. You go, and it's pretty straightforward because it's all down here. In the first and second line, because it's high on the ukulele, mainly up on the A string, you want to move your hand down the instrument, and you want to use some principles of left-hand fingering in order to do that. If you were to just kind of say any fret above 3, I just kind of slide around and hope I'm going to hit it, you're not going to be very accurate. So the way I do it is, if my frets are 3, 3, 5, 7, I put my index finger in fret 3, I stretch to put my second finger, my middle finger in fret 5, and my pinky in fret 7. This way I can stretch back for fret 2 if I need it, which I do in this song, and I can stretch up for fret 8. But my hand doesn't move, and then I don't miss the notes. And then when I go over to the 3rd fret on the E string, I just move the finger. So the first line of this song will go like this. First 2 lines. 3, 3, 5, 7, 3, 7, 5, 3 on the E string. 3, 3, 3, 5, 7, 3, 2. I'm going to move up really close so you can really see it. So I have my index finger on fret 3, my middle finger on fret 5, and my pinky finger on fret 7. And I have my thumb kind of behind my middle finger because that makes the hand more comfortable. So here I go. 3, 3, 5, 7, 3, 7, 5, 3 on the other string, the E string. 3, 3, 3, 5, 7, 3. I just slide back for 2. Then I slide back up. 3, 3, 5, 7, stretch for fret 8. 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, and then 3 is right there. 3, oh, and now I go down to the first position, and I just put whatever finger number is the fret. So I go 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, and then on the E string with the G note, 3, 8, and then over here on the A string, 2, 3, just stretch for the 5, it's not far. So that's how you do the melody tab of Yankee Doodle on the ukulele. Hope you enjoyed it.